Hello and welcome to Online New Trend. We're so excited to have you join us on our journey through the world of fashion and lifestyle. Our channel is all about sharing the latest trends, tips, and inspiration to help you look and feel your best. Our goal is to provide you with a one-stop destination for all things trendy. So, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. We'll be uploading new content every day, so there's always something new to discover. We can't wait to connect with you. Let's trend together. Starting a fashion business can be a challenging and exciting endeavor, but with the right approach, it can also be highly successful. In this video, we'll share some tips on how to make your fashion business thrive. Tip 1. Understand your target market. The first step in building a successful fashion business is to understand your target market. Who are your customers and what do they want? Conduct market research to find out what people are looking for and what they're willing to pay for. This will help you create a product that meets the needs of your target market. Tip 2. Create a unique brand. To stand out in the crowded fashion industry, it's important to create a unique brand that sets you apart from the competition. Develop a strong brand identity and make sure it's reflected in everything you do, from your logo to your packaging. This will help you build a loyal customer base. Tip 3. Stay on top of trends. The fashion industry is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay on top of the latest trends. Attend fashion shows, read industry publications, and connect with other designers to stay informed about what's happening in the fashion world. This will help you create a product that appeals to customers and stays relevant in the market. Tip 4. Network and collaborate. Network. Building a successful fashion business requires a strong network of contacts. Connect with other designers, suppliers, retailers, and industry professionals to build relationships and find opportunities to collaborate. This will help you stay informed about the industry and open up new opportunities for your business. Starting a fashion business takes hard work, determination, and a clear vision, but with these tips, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving fashion business. And that's a wrap on our fashion business tips video. We hope you found the information helpful and inspiring. Remember, starting a fashion business takes hard work and dedication, but with the right approach, it can also be highly successful. If you're looking for more information on how to start and grow your fashion business, be sure to check out our ebook, available now in the description box below. This ebook is packed with even more tips, tricks, and strategies to help you take your fashion business to the next level. So, don't wait. Download our ebook today and start building the fashion business of your dreams. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one, and we'll see you next time on Online New Trend.